Greetings everyone, my name is Manoj. In this video, I'm going to explain about the application of stack using three programs. First one is using infix to postfix. There are two kind of expression, first for infix and second is postfix. In this program, the program will ask user to enter an infix expression. After that, the program will once again print the expression which is entered by user. After that, the data stored in expression variable is passed to a parameter to a function infix to postfix. Here you can see it's passed as a parameter, and here as you can see we set the already operator, and we given a priority to those operators according to the rules. After that, the logic will perform according to the function, and the output will and the result will be written as an output to this to here, and the result will be printed as a positive expression. Let me run the program. You can see this is known as the infix expression, and enter. It is also again printed infix expression which is entered by data user. After that, the postfix expression ab plus. Okay, so the second program is evaluation of the postfix expression. As you can see, this is also asked the user to enter data. After that, the program after that I created the object from the class stack ADT, and pass the parameter the function eval using objects which I created earlier. Here you can see after the according to data the logic the operation will be performed, and the result will be printed here again or whether the operation is performed. Let me run the program. AB plus 10 20. Here you can see answer is 30, even though I write written a b as in plus. Logically, this program will convert the positive expression to infix, and after the operation will be performed. The last program is reverse string. It will reverse the string, reverse the word or sentence whatever I enter in this program. Before that, I already created an object s from the stack to reverse function. After that, I stored the user data in sequence, and I call the reverse function using s object, and pass the sequence as a parameter, and the result will be stored in a sequence variable, and the sequence will whatever result is stored in sequence will be printed here, and whatever the function is called will be performed accordingly. The logic. Let me run the program. Here you can see the string is reversed according to the logic. That's it. It's all three programs on the application of stacks.